Hi everyone, my name's Madhur. I'm an international student studying mechanical engineering in my first year. So when I did my A-levels back in Dubai, I took 4 subjects: physics, math, chemistry and English. That's when it was decided that I'm going to go for engineering. Being inclined towards mechanical engineering was mainly because of the dream of getting into automotive industry at some point in life. So the easiest way was to rather choose automotive engineering or mechanical engineering. Now the reason for choosing mechanical engineering was to keep my base wide open so that I can branch out into other fields when I do my masters. But the whole point of doing mechanical engineering is to somehow get into the automotive industry in future. Now what I mostly enjoy about mechanical engineering from within is the mechanics that goes behind it, the whole of mechanics, whether that's fluid mechanics or dynamics. Now that's mostly related to like automotive industry again. So when I was small, you used to look at the car from the outside, the whole bigger picture. But now that we have started studying engineering, and then you start digging deep into the parts of the car, and you understand how the engines work, how the drive shafts work, how the drive trainers work and stuff like that, and all of it coming together, how the braking system works. Gets me really into it. It's very intuitive, that's the whole thing. That's the whole essence of mechanical engineering that I really enjoy. So I'm a part of the Indian Society. I perform at the International Cultural Evening, where we finish second. I'm also an International Engineering Ambassador, where we give presentations to students who are doing their A-levels and perhaps give them an insight about what university is like. So in the last semester, we had a project to design a new musical instrument all by ourselves. Towards the end, when things started coming together, and then you really get an idea about how to work on it. And university was really kind enough to let us use the 3D printers all for free, getting all the ideas in there, and then getting a whole perfect product out of it was perhaps the best experience I could ever have in my first year itself. Yeah, so I took part in Global Engineering Challenge at the start of this semester, and it was amazing because the problem was very close to where I come from. I come from India, and the problem was based in Tamil Nadu, and we had to deal with the water management in Tamil Nadu. So at first the problem seemed a bit absurd because catering to such massive number of people, and that's when we start digging into the problem and then working with different engineers from different disciplines and getting ideas of like civil engineers, of aerospace engineers and stuff like that, and then trying to work out what can be the best solution at a lower cost. So it was keeping everything in mind, giving a different outlook or giving a different perspective to a problem and getting the solution out for the people of India. Now, the best thing about being an engineering student is not just the science behind it, because that's what people think, engineering and science. But I would say it rather gives you a different insight or a different way of looking at problems. It gives you that insight or gives you that outlook that not many people have today. Looking at problems in a different way, looking at them at a very technical way, and then trying to get the best solution for it in the most cost-effective manner. So that's why engineers would try and make a difference in today's world.